Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Welcome to my channel, Helping Lesson at the Rate Professor. Today, my topic regarding geographical division of any area in the world, in any part of the world, means how can we conclude and determine the geographical position, geographical division in any criteria. So in this way there are three main categorical divisions of any typical area in the world, and in geographical science all the geographers underline this case of study normally in three classification. First one, the feature wise division means, as you know, there are five main features distinguishes in any area. As we say, mountain area, the mountain range area, the hill areas. Second one, the plain areas. Third one, the coastal areas, means that very areas which lying near the watersheds, mean oceans, rivers and seas areas, especially not rivers, sorry, ocean and sea water areas, location of the land. And these oceans and seas also known as watershed in geographical science. Third one, desert areas. Fourth one, the plateau type areas, where the most of the areas are plain but the surrounding areas consist on the low elevated hill ranges or hill areas. And these are the geographical and physiographical division of any area. That is why in case of Pakistan it is very interesting, and bless of Allah Pak that we possess all type of physiographical areas in the country, especially our northwest and southwest areas are consisting the hill mountain ranges like Himalayan range, Karakoram range, Hindu Kush range and Suleiman range in the down of Balochistan province. Along this we see the smooth plain area in the Punjab territory, as you know, and along this the desert area, especially Thal and Thar, locating in the Pakistan region. And these areas, desert areas, are very renowned areas with respect to Indian subcontinent desert path. After that we see the long range coastal line area, which I presented in my previous video. You see from Karachi coast to Makran coast, this total coastline area consists on 10 to 12 coastal cities and around about 10 seaports, you know. And there are two plateau type areas in Pakistan region, Potohar and Balochistan Plateau. Okay, these are the physiographical division in the geographical science in any part of the world. Second one is the climatic division in the region, in the country or in any part of the world. Means how the climate play its role in the region. Naturally, as we know, where mountains lie, there the climate show its behavior very cold. It's no question about it, because sea level play an important role in mountain with respect to mountain areas. So we can say if the mountain location is higher than 5,000 feet above, then we see the cold winds, the coldness, and the snowfall persistence is very possible. After that, we see the harsh weather, the harsh climate zone near in the shape of Punjab territory, coastal climate zone, all over the world. The coastal lines, the watershed areas possess the very pleasant and moderate weather in the shape of climate position. And other desert areas in the world, especially in Pakistan, we see that it is the desert type behavior. Means in daytime we see the hot sand weather, and in midnight this sand converted and diverted into the coolness. Therefore, this is the second type of division in the geographical science. First one is physiographical division, second one is seasonal or climatic division. Third position is that very categorical information to you, that time zone position. Time zone position reveal that how one end differs from the another end. In this case, you should know there is a lot of area is to be studied, because in geographical science we see two marking lines on the globe, longitude and latitude. In this position, one piece of the longitude and latitude as compared to another piece, this division show the time zone difference. In Pakistan case, it is very little bit area is to be covered by the time zone. Almost throughout the country, only one time zone is to be considered. But in vast areas, countries like Russia, USA, China, Canada, etc., in these vast area countries, the majority areas are so differ as compared to other end of areas. Means New York City exists in one end of the USA territory, and Alaska is on the end of the another location. Therefore, the time zone in United States is so different from one end to another end, because it is very vast country. Like as Russia is a very and the largest country area wise in the world, so the time zone possibility is very common in Russian Federation. So in this video, I told you the three categorical division geographically. First one, featured geography, mean physiographical division. Second one, climatic division, and third one, time zone division. Okay, I hope you listened better and understood better what I am saying about the geographical science, and it's very interesting science. And as you know, in higher seat of studies, this science carry most of the another sciences. When we plotting, we graphing, and we scaling the areas, and most of the areas are to be studied differently in this kind of science. Thank you very much. Good luck, and I hope you will ask questions and suggest comments to explore more information about my videos. And please help me and do comments and wait for the better answers. Okay, thank you very much.